What's up, everybody? Welcome to the PowerTank YouTube channel. Today we're installing a set of PowerTank's monster valves on my 5th gen 4Runner. If you aren't aware what monster valve is, it's basically a big bore valve designed to move air much more rapidly than a standard valve stem. They're made of aircraft aluminum, so lightweight that in most situations you don't have to rebalance the tire once you install them. Now, you can install these monster valves in addition to your original valve stem to maintain your original TPMS sensor if you just tap into the wheel. In this case, I went with just replacing the OEM valve stem and replacing the original TPMS sensor that I had on the tires because the ones we had from Amazon were a little bit more low profile and make remounting the tire a little bit easier. Now, every case is different, so you can contact PowerTank or you can contact your local off-road shop for some advice. Now, since I'm going with the no-tap version of this install, you basically insert the monster valve into the OEM valve stem hole. You put the neck on that holds the TPMS sensor and then the nut. After that, you want to apply a little bit of thread lock to ensure everything stays put. And on these parts, a couple drops is going to go a long way. After you apply the thread lock, you just want to use the socket to tighten down the nut. Look at that, it looks amazing. After all we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and remount the tire, and then we're going to go ahead and check it for leaks. And while we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you why you want a set of these. So for an example, a 40-inch by 13.5 by 17-inch tire can be deflated from 35 PSI to 10 PSI in under 30 seconds using the monster valve. With the PowerTank system and Monster Chuck, you can rapidly inflate similarly sized tires in 40 seconds or less in many configurations. Now, we do have a couple of different models of these, so you want to visit our website, powertank.com, to see which model is best for you. Now that the monster valves are all installed, all it's left to do is just get them back on the vehicle. Now, since we didn't use the original sensors, we did have to reprogram them so that the vehicle can read how much tire pressure is actually in the tire. But any shop installing these should be able to do the same thing for you. Now, once you're ready to air down, all you do is twist the red neck and release the tire pressure. It does not get any easier than that.
You're 18 PSI.
From 35 PSI down to 18 in a matter of seconds. Absolutely incredible. If you want to get yourself a set of these today, visit powertank.com and get you a set. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.